Hi class. So I'm going to do a demo for the orthographic views assignment. And so I printed out my assignment and I have a piece of grid paper over here, and then I have an isometric view over here, and that's printed on an isometric grid. Okay, and so if you can't print this out, maybe you don't have a printer, you can either go to the Design and Technology TEW 402 classroom and you can print there for free. But this is an online class, maybe you can't go over there. You can always just use a regular sheet of paper as well. And you can either draw your grid on here or you can just make your images and mark the dimensions for each side. Okay, and if you don't have any of that, you can also just take the PDF and then you can make marks on the PDF. So you can draw directly on your PDF and submit it that way on your computer, like on some kind of PDF editor app. And one more thing, once you're done, go ahead and take a photo of your finished product and use a PDF converter and upload it to Canvas that way. All right, so first I'm going to start off with the front view. So if I'm looking at this image from this direction, I need to see what the overall width of that view is. So if I start here, I could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I counted 8 boxes that way. I'm going to look at the depth here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 units in that direction. And then going up, if I were to project this line out, so this is the top, project it out this way, I can count now from there. So I'd do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. And then I do know that it cuts off from here. So if I were to also project this line up and this line over, this is where it would meet. And so this is 2 units over in that direction. Okay, so, and I can continue to mark this up as needed. I'm gonna go ahead and start with my front view here. So it's going to be 8 units width and 6 units tall. So if I start here, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then it's gonna be 6 units tall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then on this side it's only, let's see, 1, 2, 3 units tall. So I'll go up to 3. And then I already said that this is 2 over, so that's gonna be, if I go from here, 1, 2. I can draw it like that, and then I can create this edge. And then this goes 2 units up. And then I have these boxes here, so that's gonna be 2 units over on each side. And then that edge is also 2 units up, so that's all showing. And that looks pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'll highlight this because it's probably a little bit difficult to see. Okay, and then I want to do my right side view and my top view, and I want that to be perfectly aligned with the front view. So if I go over here to my right side, I'm going to start it on the same line. So I'll start here and then I'll go over 10 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then that goes 6 units up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. and this is 2 units wide. And it's 2 units tall for this L shape. And I have an edge right here, so I'm going to draw that as well. So that's 1 unit from this corner. Okay. And then I'll go ahead and do my top view. So it's going to be 8 by 10. And they're going to be perfectly aligned with the one on the bottom. So I'll start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then that's going to be aligned on this side too. So all these are related. See, this is 8 units across, 10 units up, and then this is 10 units. This one's going to be 10 units over as well. So the top view and the front view are also related. I don't remember how far down that went. So for example, if I took this and flipped it over up here like this, then these two would be perfectly aligned as well. Okay, and so I'm gonna start drawing this. I know that this goes 2 units over and then it's gonna have this U shape. So I'm not gonna put that there for now. I'll just leave it open and then I'll close the top and draw all my edges. All right, and then this U goes up 4 units, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the curve starts 2 units from the back. So right there. I'm just gonna do my best to create this curve. All right, there we go. And is it perfect? No, it's not perfect, but it is good enough. All right, and then I'm missing one more hidden line over in this view because if I look from the side, I can't see it, but there is an edge within this object, right? And so that's gonna be 2 units from this corner. So I'm gonna go 2 units over and I'm gonna do some dashes for a hidden line. And I'll go ahead and highlight all that just so it's a little easier to see. All right, and there you have it. And so go ahead and attempt this assignment on your own and just do your best. Like I said, if you don't have grid paper, let's say if you had this, for example, you would just dimension all the sides. Let's say you had a blank piece of paper. So you'd go here to here, and you would say this is 10. You would go here to here, you would say this is 8, and then this would be 2, etc. Okay, thank you.